sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
Hello, welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you for coming back if you've been here before. But tonight we're going to be doing a after dark clean with me, and I'm like stuttering as I say that because even though it's an after dark clean with me, my evening is kind of going to be starting after I clean up. So I'm in my little cozy pajamas that I got from Target, but it is 6 p.m. My oldest son is staying the night with his grandparents. My youngest son is in bed asleep, and my husband is out right now. But when he comes back home, we're gonna have dinner and like watch a movie and all that stuff. But the house is a mess. It's a Friday evening, so I'm going to quickly clean up and get the house all nice and tidy so that when he comes home, I can just relax and enjoy my evening. And anytime I have a little bit of peace and quiet, like I usually like to try and clean as much as I can. Like I know some people are like, oh, I just want to relax, but that is kind of my relax. So if that makes sense. So if you're gonna clean with me, come on, let's get started cleaning. Or if this is motivation for later, I hope you get all the motivation that you're looking for, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So let me know down in the comments, do you all clean up on like Fridays and Saturdays? I know for me, Sunday is a really big reset day with cleaning. I like to get a lot of cleaning done. And just like Monday through Friday, I do a lot of work around the house. But on Fridays and Saturdays, I don't know why, I just feel like those are days to relax. So I kind of just like tidy up. I don't do a lot of deep cleaning. But prior to having kids, Friday night when I would get off work, that would be my favorite night to like just do a deep clean, because then I would know that the house is clean and I can like go out and hang out all weekend long without having to worry about any chores at home. But let me know, do you guys clean on Fridays, or is that like your relaxed day and you just wait until Sunday?
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely, I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come.
This is always my favorite part of the videos because my family spends so much time here. I love that I always document when it's clean because not long after, the mess usually comes back. On this night, it actually stayed clean for like a day and a half because my oldest son was gone, my youngest was asleep for the night, and it was just me and my husband kind of hanging out. We ate takeout and watched some movies, so we just had a really cool little at-home date night. And then the next morning we kind of chilled in bed. So this area stayed pretty clean for a while, but it's just always fun to see it on video and to like see how quickly I get it done on video, but it definitely is not always that fast.
To be alone, so lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home. I need some time. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home.
So you'll probably notice that I start to unload the dishwasher and then load those same items back in. I thought they were clean, but once I took them out, I smelled them and I was like, oh wow, these are not clean. Sometimes I will like kind of lightly wash a dish and then put it in the dishwasher just to make sure that it gets that really good clean. And these dishes, they were from earlier that morning when I made breakfast, and I thought I'd ran the dishwasher for just a small amount of items, but I didn't. And I'm really just always super nervous about the dishwasher. Like I just have this fear that one day I'm going to accidentally put away dishes that aren't clean or it hasn't been run. So sometimes I will actually even double run the dishwasher just out of like wondering like, oh, did I forget? Did I run it or not? Let me know down in the comments, are you a Starbucks cup lover? This is my first Starbucks cup. I am not a Starbucks cup lover. Well, I don't know. I think I'm becoming one. So a few of my friends collect the Starbucks cups. My aunt, who lives out of town, she collects the cups, and this holiday line came out and she sent it to our family chat. If anyone is going into Target today, please check and see if they have these cups. And she sent pictures and she was like, I really need one and I can't get one here. So of course, I'm always in Target. I just so happened to be in Target and I saw the cups. And so I got the cups for her and I kept one, and they're so cute. I don't like that they don't keep your drink cold, but that's not like a deal breaker for me because I usually finish my water pretty quickly. So I could just refill it with more ice, but I won't be able to use it overnight because I do like for my ice to stay cold overnight. So in the morning, I still have cold water left in my cup. But this cup is so cute. Like it feels so cute and so fancy that I'm like, I don't know. I could probably get another one if I wanted to. I don't know. Let me know. Are you guys Starbucks lovers?
Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Nighttime cleanups are always so peaceful for me, especially when my youngest is in bed asleep. I get to listen to whatever podcast I want to listen to or watch whatever YouTube video I want and just kind of like take my time and get things done. I'm not a night person though. Like usually after dinner, I'm very tired and I'm just gonna do like the bare minimum in the kitchen so that I can go to bed. But I wish I had the energy like this every night to just get things done every night when my youngest goes to bed. But some nights he stays up a little bit later. On this particular night, I think he didn't nap that day, so he went to bed really early that day, which is why the bath water is still there. I normally would never leave the bath water in the tub. I know that's really dangerous, but he was taking a bath and was like extremely tired, so I just got him out, got him dressed quickly, and put him to bed.
All your love, give me love, give.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I am all done. It is nice and tidy, so tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's going to be such a breeze to know that the house is clean. That's always such a good feeling. And I've actually got myself some cookies baking. I've got about like 45 minutes before my husband gets home. So I'm going to watch some more YouTube videos. Let me know in the comments below, like, who are your favorite YouTubers to watch? Like, I love watching vlog channels and cleaning channels. So let me know, like, who are you all watching? Who are you subscribed to? Like, who's someone who you can binge watch their videos? Because I'm looking for more people to subscribe to. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.